Good morning, children. Now we are all entered into our 9th standard. Still now you studied the case studies and as well as all the areas relating to your maps and your surrounding health centers, public services, private services, each and everything you learn, and as well as banks, ATM machines, how they are working. And this year also we are going to learn something. Why? Because you are the junior 10th standard students. As a junior 10th standard students, you have to concentrate more comparing with another class students. Why? Because still now we studied Indian history and as well as our state related issues, that is Mission Kakatiya or Mission Bhagiratha, and the welfare schemes that were introduced by our state government and as well as central government. But this year, this is something difficult and special. If you concentrate this year, next coming year, it will be easy for your 10th standard to achieve 10 out of 10. So think yourself, you are in 10th standard, like that only you prepare yourself. Here, same academic standards, how like you followed up to 8th standard. In our 9th standard also, same academic standards will be followed. You know that already the 6 academic standards are there. By basing on this only, your 9th syllabus will be. And as well as here, you are going to see here, especially you have to concentrate on comment this year and as well as interpretation. And here, before going to start, introduce our lesson. All the living beings, from small insects to huge elephants, these all are living on the earth. Am I right or not? Here, all the living creatures are living on this earth. Now we have to discuss about our universe. How this universe was made. How this universe was made. Here now, my very educated mother just shown us 9 planets we are using. My very educated mother just show us 9 planets. What is this? My very educated mother just shown us 9 planets. Yes, let's see here. M, Mercury. V, Venus. Earth. Mars. Jupiter. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Now already we know that this Pluto was not in existence. This Pluto was not in existence. Yeah. So here my very educated mother just shown us 9 planets. To remember these planets, where are these planets? These planets are in our solar system. In our solar system. So many people couldn't accept this system. Some people were discussed, they argued this is the sun-centered theory. And later, some people were argued this is the earth-centered theory. This was not a sun-centered theory. Discussions were going on about this. Here, to remember easily, we have a simple trick. So use this trick, my very educated mother just shown us 9 planets. To recognize these planets, to remember all these planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Here, later we are going to know about our Earth. Here, in the entire world, we are observing here different kinds of continents. Already I told you that how many continents are there in this world. Let us see. One is North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Now we are going to discuss here continents. Here, North America. South America. Europe. Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many continents are there here? 7 continents we are able to see here. Now I am showing you here these are 7 continents. Once let us observe here. Here, this is North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Once again, let us see here: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Here, these all are in the entire world continents. These all are in our Earth only. Here, Earth is also another planet. How can we say Earth is round in shape? For this purpose, arguments were going on. if this earth is round, from one point to another point we may go. When it is rotating, we may fall down. Some people's argument it is. And some people argue, no, the earth is not in round. The earth is flat in shape. If the earth is round, if it is rotated, we may fall down. So, this is not a round in shape, this is flat. And another people argue, if the earth is flat, if we start our journey from this corner to that corner, we may reach the ending point. After reaching that ending point, we may fall down unknown area. So that type of arguments were going on. After the arguments were going on between these different kinds of people, Niccolo Copernicus, this Copernicus said, he propagated the sun-centered theory. Copernicus said, sun is at the center and all the planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune and all the remaining planets are moving around the sun. That's why he told this is the sun-centered theory. Here, this universe was made with a Big Bang. This universe was made with a Big Bang theory. So here, while we are discussing about our Earth is a planet. So how many planets are there here? At present 8. Here Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These all are part of solar system. Sun was at the center. Including the Earth, all the planets are moving in and around the sun. How can we may prove this was the sun-centered theory? So we are going to know how this was called as the sun-centered theory for our next coming class.